Invoice number V7822. Today is March 13th, 2023. We are video inspecting the living room, which I believe is going to be a living family room, double-sided fireplace. It is a 13 by 18 flue. We are proceeding down a video scan now. It is a little noisy in here. Multiple trades are working at the same time. Proceeding down video inspection now. There is no cap at the top of this flue. Got some moisture present. See, it has some growth right there. That's usually a good indicator that you got a ton of moisture. There's an open mortar joint just to the right of that, right there. No mortar present whatsoever. You also got a break right above that mortar joint in the flue tile. Another open mortar joint. A lot of moisture leaching through those joints. Bird feather. Mortar joint. Yes, just right there. See that harging is starting to lift, creating a void. I do have a crack present in the flue. So focus in on it a little bit better. There's a crack. Lots of moisture. Got a pretty big stagger here. here. There's your flue tile, then it just drops off to a large void. Odd. Better image now. What we're working with here. So it has an offset. There's a ton of debris at that offset as well. As you can see, all the cement they just dropped down and did not care to have removed. Adjust this camera. We are now at the smoke chamber, which is unparched. You can see all the open bricks in here. All exposed. Gaps in between the bricks as well. Again, an absolute ton of moisture is present within this flue. There is an offset present. Further recommendations are to follow, and we are approximately 27 feet tall in height, and again it is a 13 by 18 flue. Multiple defects have been observed, and further recommendations are to follow. All the effervescence